In today's fast-paced world, young adults and professionals often find themselves at a crossroads, seeking ways to develop leadership skills. The journey to becoming a leader is fraught with challenges, from finding the right opportunities to gaining the necessary experience. But what if the key to unlocking your leadership potential is right at your fingertips? Volunteering offers a unique pathway, bridging the gap between ambition and achievement. It's not just about giving back to the community. It's about building a foundation for your future. Imagine transforming your passion into purpose and your service into skill. Consider how the simple act of volunteering can be the stepping stone to the leadership roles you aspire to. Whether you're looking to enhance communication, teamwork, or problem-solving abilities, volunteering provides the platform to grow and thrive. Let's delve into how volunteering can be your gateway to leadership, turning challenges into opportunities. Volunteering isn't just a noble act of giving back, it's a powerful stepping stone on the journey to leadership. Many young adults and professionals search for ways to develop their leadership skills, often overlooking the transformative potential of volunteering. When you volunteer, you're not just helping others, you're building a foundation for your own growth. It's in these moments of service that you cultivate essential leadership skills. Consider communication, for instance. Through volunteering, you learn to express ideas clearly and listen actively, bridging gaps between diverse groups. Teamwork is another crucial skill honed through volunteering. As you collaborate with others toward a common goal, you learn to appreciate different perspectives and bring out the best in each team member. And then there's problem solving. Volunteering often puts you in situations that require quick thinking and adaptability. You learn to navigate challenges with creativity and resilience, skills invaluable in any leadership role. These skills, communication, teamwork, and problem solving, are the building blocks of leadership, forged in real-world experiences that volunteering provides. Each volunteer opportunity is a chance to practice and refine these skills, setting you on a path towards becoming a more effective leader. Embrace volunteering as the first step in your leadership journey. Volunteering is more than just an act of kindness. It's a gateway to personal growth and skill development. Each volunteering experience presents a unique opportunity to discover and hone your leadership potential. Imagine stepping into a role where your actions not only benefit others, but also shape your own future. This is the power of volunteering. Consider the story of Sarah, who began her journey as a volunteer at a local community center. Initially, she joined to give back, but soon she found herself leading projects, coordinating teams, and solving complex problems. Through these experiences, Sarah uncovered her leadership abilities. Her story is not unique. Countless individuals have walked a similar path, each finding their potential through service. Volunteering challenges you to step outside your comfort zone, communicate effectively, and work collaboratively with diverse groups. These experiences are invaluable, offering a chance to practice and develop essential leadership skills. Whether it's organizing an event, managing resources, or inspiring others to join a cause, volunteering equips you with the tools needed for personal and professional growth. Embrace the opportunities volunteering offers, and let it be the catalyst for your personal and leadership development. Volunteering can open doors you never imagined. It's a stepping stone, a bridge that connects passion with purpose, leading to unparalleled leadership opportunities. Many of today's leaders began their journeys as volunteers, discovering their potential and honing their skills along the way. Picture this: a young professional dedicates weekends to a local nonprofit, coordinating events and managing teams. Over time, they develop not only a keen sense of responsibility, but also a knack for leadership. This experience becomes a catalyst, propelling them into leadership roles they once only dreamed of. Another volunteer, perhaps in a community outreach program, finds themselves leading initiatives, inspiring others, and making impactful decisions. These stories are not rare, they are the norm. Volunteering is not just an act of giving back, it's a powerful pathway to leadership. It offers a unique environment to grow, learn, and lead. The skills acquired through service, communication, empathy, strategic thinking, are the very skills that define great leaders. If you're looking to step into a leadership role, consider starting with volunteering. It's where many successful journeys begin, and yours could be next. As we conclude our exploration, it's clear that volunteering is more than just an act of service. It's a powerful catalyst for personal and professional growth. Through volunteering, you gain invaluable skills, forge meaningful connections, and unlock doors to leadership roles that might have seemed out of reach. The journey from volunteer to leader is transformative, filled with opportunities to shape not only your future, but also the communities around you. So why wait? Embrace volunteering as your path to leadership. Let it be the stepping stone that propels you towards your aspirations. Remember, every great leader was once a volunteer. The potential is within you. Take the first step and let your journey begin.